your Kingdom Wealth Coach, and wanted to come to you guys with a quick overview about the next generation wealth building opportunity through Troncase, which is a smart contract using the cryptocurrency Tron. I want to talk to you guys real briefly about what this opportunity is. For those of you who may have not heard about cryptocurrencies, don't know what a blockchain is, I will encourage you guys to do your own research, guys. All right, you got to put some skin into the game. Go to Google, go to YouTube, type in blockchain, type in cryptocurrencies, do your own research to understand these platforms. Okay, I don't want to spend too much time talking about what the blockchain is. Just want to focus my attention on talking about a little bit about Tron so you guys can understand um, what Tron is and how powerful the Tron cryptocurrency is inside of the Troncase smart contract. And I will briefly talk about what a smart contract is. Okay. So with that being said, guys, we're going to go ahead and get right into this. Let's talk about Tron and how Tron came to be. So Tron, we're going to talk about the leadership. We're going to talk about the milestones and the capabilities of this awesome cryptocurrency. So Tron was founded by Justin Sun in 2017. Justin Sun is a protege of Jack Ma. A lot of you should know who Jack Ma is. He's the Chinese billionaire who created the Alibaba platform. Justin Sun is a member of Forbes China 30 under 30 list. Very brilliant gentleman. Again, he's a protege of Jack Ma, so that says enough about him right there, about where he's come from and who he's connected to. Tron cryptocurrency, guys, is a top 25 cryptocurrency. Utilizes smart contracts that reside on the blockchain, which Tron has its own blockchain. Again, guys, do your own research, go and study about blockchains, and even go and study a little bit more about Tron, okay? So you can understand the importance of Tron and why this is a very important part of the Troncase smart contract. Tron is the world's fastest growing public blockchain with over 28 million accounts. All right. Now, you guys have heard of Ethereum. Ethereum was the very first blockchain. All right. Tron got its start on the Ethereum blockchain before it branched out and started its own blockchain. Now it has more accounts on its blockchain than Ethereum does. So that again speaks volumes about how powerful this Tron cryptocurrency is and why it's listed in the top 25 of the cryptocurrencies around the world. And by the way, there's over 75 to 7,800 different cryptocurrencies, guys. So again, this speaks volumes about why this is in the top 25, actually in the top 20. They own BitTorrent. Those of you that don't know what BitTorrent is, if you watch a lot of streaming movies online, BitTorrent is the largest file sharing company in the world, and Tron owns it. And then they have a partnership with Samsung. Samsung has their own blockchain key store in which Tron, DApp, decentralized applications are a part of the Samsung mobile phone system, guys. The Samsung, I think it's the Samsung 10 and up. All right, so it's the newer version of the Samsung phones that now have their own blockchain built into the Samsung phones, and Tron is a part of that. All right, so that tells you guys about what Tron is, all right, how Tron was started, and why Tron is very, very important when it comes to Troncase. So with that being said, guys, let's talk about this next generation investment program called Troncase. All right, Troncase is a smart contract, guys. All right, smart contracts. Just to give you a little information about what they are, they're secured, they're accurate always. I'm going to talk about that here in a minute. Fast performance, very cost effective, guys, because everything is done online. It's trustless. In other words, there's no owners, there's no CEOs, interruption free, and it's autonomous, guys. Again, no one owns it. There's nobody controlling it. You control what you put into it. Your contract is controlled by you. It's controlled by the blockchain, and it runs smoothly, guys. And what I love about, again, what Tron is doing, Tron is building an ecosystem around the Tron cryptocurrency. All right, they're going to get into biotech, healthcare, financial services. They're going to get into the travel industry, the energy industry, technology, and real estate. All of these things are going to help build the Tron cryptocurrency, guys. And that becomes very important for us. Why? Because we're earning the Tron cryptocurrency through this smart contract. And since they're building all these things around this cryptocurrency, guys, it's just a matter of time before this thing starts to shoot through the roof as it relates to the price of the Tron cryptocurrency. It's a hidden secret, guys. It's a sleeping giant. All right. So let's talk about the smart contract. So the smart contract is nothing but code, guys. When it comes to the blockchain, it's just a lot of code that's written, and inside this code, um, the contract is written to where they write inside the contract what they want this code to do. All right, and we're getting ready to talk about what this code actually does for you inside of the blockchain. So once the code has been written and placed on the blockchain, it cannot be changed, guys. All right. In the past, what the problem was with a lot of smart contracts where the code was written and had errors inside the code. And once they put that code on the blockchain, it could not be changed. So therefore, there was errors on the blockchain with that particular smart contract, and it was causing a lot of problems. The guys behind the smart contract for Troncase, they did it the right way, because there's nothing flawless about this smart contract whatsoever, guys. I'm 2 months into this thing, have not missed a beat, and you guys are getting ready to see exactly how this thing works. So let's talk about it. So once you buy your Tron, all right, and again, if you like what you see, guys, you're going to get back with the person that shared this with you. They're going to share with you. We got a 4-video system that shows you guys how to get your system set up. Okay, so once you say, hey, I'm in, I like what I see, they're going to share with you these 4 videos to help you get yourself set up and running. All right, so once you get in, guys, once you get set up and running and your smart contract is active, this is what your smart contract is going to look like. All right, this is called your personal wallet. All right, inside the smart contract, guys, it's written to where you earn daily rewards. And right now, your daily rewards start at 1.1% and maxes out at 1.6%. Okay, 1.6% is the max right now. And each day you go without making a withdrawal from your available earnings, guys, you earn an extra point. So it takes about 6 days, guys, to get to that 1.6%. And as you can see, we have some milestones. When we reach certain milestones, as you can see on the right there, basic rewards, whole bonus, contract bonus, leader bonus, and a community bonus. The basic rewards is the 1.1%. That's where you start at when you first get your smart contract set up. The whole bonus is what I was talking about. Each day you go without making a withdrawal, guys, you get a point. All right. So as you can see right now, the whole bonus is 0.1. Contract bonus. Again, once we get a certain amount of contracts on the smart contract, then we earn the bonus there. Our leadership bonus, we just hit our leadership bonus, guys, to where we paid out over $20 million in commissions that earn us the extra point. And we're close to our community bonus. Our community bonus is how many people are part of the smart contract. All right, we are very close. The last I checked, we had 49,000 people a part of this program. We need 50. Once we hit 50, that's going to be another point under the community bonus. That's going to take us up to 1.7. Powerful program, guys. So as you get locked in, again, you buy your Tron, you're going to put your Tron into the smart contract. Your available withdrawal balance, all right, that comes from what your total deposit number is. So if you sign up and you put 10,000 Tron into your smart contract, your 1.1% up to your 1.6% is earned off of your total smart contract number. And I'm going to show you my number here in a minute. And by the way, these are real numbers that you're looking at, guys. This is my actual smart contract. All right, as you can see, as of the time of this presentation, guys, my available withdrawal balance is 1,128 Tron, 0.6024, and that number changes every 4 seconds. So it built into the contract, you're going to earn Tron every 4 seconds, guys. Every 4 seconds. And you're going to earn 1.1% a day, all the way up to 1.6% a day. All right. As you can see that little area down there where it says click withdraw button, click withdraw button and you will get instantly all your deposits earnings with a single transaction. Your personal hold bonus will be reset. So in other words, guys, when you make your withdrawal to go back into your Tron wallet, your daily rewards balance will reset, all right, to 1.1, and the cycle starts over. It's very important, guys, and I tell people when they sign up that you keep between 4 and 100 Tron in your wallet balance for blockchain fees. Okay, Tron doesn't have fees, but the blockchain itself has fees. It's kind of like your ATM machine. All right, if you go into an ATM machine outside of your network, you're gonna be charged a fee to use that ATM machine. It's the same way with the blockchain. All right. So let's go to the next one. So as you can see, my total deposit was 50,000 Tron. That's what my total deposit number is right now. So my daily rewards earnings is coming off of that 50,000 total deposit in Tron. Now here's what I love about this program, guys. You see where it says number of deposits? I have 19. All right. So each time you either make a purchase of Tron and you make a contribution to your contract, that's considered to be a deposit. Each time you make a withdrawal from your contract and then you take it and put it back into the contract, that's considered to be a deposit. All right, I have 19. Each time you make a deposit, guys, each deposit earns you a 300% return. So with that knowledge right there, guys, I got 19 different streams of income inside of my smart contract because all 19 of those deposits are earning me a 300% return. This thing is phenomenal, guys. And as you can see, total earned, I've already earned over 67,862 Tron inside of my smart contract. And we'll get more in depth into the training on this side of it as well. And you can see my total withdrawal was 66,733. So total withdrawal means that I withdrew from my contract, all right, and went back to my wallet. But those returns, of course, came back into the smart contract. All right, very, very powerful, guys. And there is a referral program built into this. It's an affiliate program built into this smart contract. All right. So with that being said, guys, let's talk about the referral rewards. So as you can see, there are 11 ways, guys, 11 different ways that you can get paid by referring people to this smart contract. My referral rewards is 49,866. That's based off of all the different levels that you see on your right. Okay, that's how much I've earned in referral fees. And let's talk about that. So your first level, guys, you're going to earn a 7% return. On your second, you're going to earn a 3% return. On your third level is 1.5, and on your fourth level is 1%. All right, levels 5 through 7 is 0.5%. Level 8 is 0.4. Level 9 is 0.3, level 10 is 0.2, and level 11 is 0.1. Guys, listen, as you bring people in, don't even worry about trying to figure out the numbers. This thing is built to where when you sign somebody up, all right, somebody uses your referral URL, your rewards go straight to your wallet automatically. And the contract tracks your rewards. So I've had over 49,866 Tron that I've earned since I started with this smart contract. And it all went to my personal wallet. Now, again, you can make a decision whether or not you want that Tron that you earned to go back into the smart contract. You can make a deposit back into your smart contract. It's just that easy, guys. So the platform conditions, guys, very easy, again, to get involved. The minimum is 100 Tron. The max is 4 million Tron. Again, the total income that you're going to earn from each one of your deposits is a 300% return, which includes your deposit, okay? And we've already talked about all of these different rewards. The basic earning rate, we talked about the whole bonus. We talked about the contract total balance bonus, the community bonus, and the leader bonus. That's the program, guys. It's just that easy. It is just that easy. So one thing you got to do is make a decision, guys, whether or not you want to get involved in this smart contract. Make your money make you more money. Warren Buffett says, until you learn how to make money in your sleep, if you never learn how to make money in your sleep, you're gonna work until you die. This smart contract literally gives you an opportunity, guys, to make money in your sleep. And that's exactly what we do 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, nonstop. It continues to go. It continues to go. All right, guys, that's it. Just a quick overview of the smart contract. Quick overview talking about Tron, who Tron was started by, and that's it. That's a simple overview, guys. Less than 16 minutes. Share this with the people that you want to share it with. Get them involved, guys, and let's get them earning.
All right, guys. So let's look at the real deal, the pure residual income to the Troncase. It is awesome because here's the thing. You're looking at, you start off at 1% a day, but it rises every day 0.1% till you're at 1.5%. And that's right now. Because once we hit the numbers that we talked about, the community numbers, this thing can go up to 3.5%, which would be insane. Okay, it's like 3 times more of what I'm about to show you when we get there. And we can help that happen. So, but 1.5% a day is 10.5% a week. Okay, and 45% a month. Guys, that's crazy. That's huge. 45% a month. Are you kidding me? Just to let it sit there and run? So here's what we know. When you understand this, guys, we look at $100 worth of Tron. Okay, $100 worth of Tron. And keep in mind, Tron right now is like 5 cents. Okay, so basically you're looking at 2,000 Tron. $100 worth of Tron. That's $1.50 a day in the program. Once it hits 1.5%, so it's $1 a day until it hits 1.5, but then it's $1.50 a day. Okay, and that's $45 a month. Now it don't seem like much, but we watched it, guys. We wanted to make sure this thing worked, and it did. It absolutely did what it was supposed to do. Okay, and it's been doing it for now 3 months, going on 3 months. 500 in Tron, $7.50 a day. You're talking about $225 a month. And the thing is, pretty much 2.5 months, and you're back at what you started with anyway. Okay, $1,000 in Tron. Now, folks, we're talking about $15 a day, $450 a month. Okay, and 10,000 in Tron, $150 a day, $4,500 a month. 20,000 in Tron, $300 a day. Now, 150 a day, 4,500 a month. That's definitely a full-time job. And 300 a day, 9,000. That's 2 full-time jobs for sure. I mean, we're talking about nice pay grade too. Okay, 9 grand, that's 6 figures, by the way. That would be 100 G's a year plus. Okay, residual. And then 50,000 in Tron, you're looking at $750 a day, 22,500. Now that's a full-time and some. Okay, you get a 22.5, guys. Now we're talking about that upper echelon corporate kind of income for sure. All right, or really entrepreneurial income. All right, and so then, guys, when you look at 100,000 in Tron, okay, 100,000 in Tron, we're talking about 1,500 a day, 45,000 a month. Now that's lifestyle, because that's over $500,000 a year, and 200,000, 3,000 a day, $90,000 a month in Tron, guys. Man, listen, that's done. That's $1 million plus. Okay, 100,000, $500,000, $1 million, folks. 200,000 Tron, you max it out. Okay, that's done. So look at this. I'm gonna show you how to get there because there's 11 levels. It starts at 7% on the first level, 3% level 2, 1.5% on 3. 1% on 4, 0.5 on 5, a half on 6, a half on 7, 0.4 on 8, 0.3 on 9, 0.2 on 10, and 0.1% on 11. And I know math class comes in handy now, so big time. But here's the thing, guys, when you look at, I'm just talking about 3 people. Do you know at least 3 partners that will join us and say, hey, you put $500 in this thing, you're going to start seeing it work at 1% and all the way up to a 1.5% after 5 days. And so that's $7.50 every day. Every day. So then, guys, you're going to pick up 7% on that because of where they started. And remember, you're not buying anything, guys. If anything, you're buying yourself residual income. Okay, it's not like Troncase is charging, you know, $99.99 or $2.99 or $4.99 to get in. No, guys, this thing is no cost to get involved. You put your Tron in. We got a video for you to watch to show you how to do that. Set up your wallet and all that good stuff. And just like that, bam. So that's $105 when you refer 3. Now, obviously, if you refer 6, okay, that's $210. But let's just say 3, okay? And then they do the same thing. Your 3 refer 3, so that's 9. You get 3%, okay? You get 3% on the second level. That's 4,500. 9 times 500, 4,500. That's 135. On the third level, 1.5%. That's 27 people though. Everybody on the 9 get 3, 13,500. You're getting 1.5%. That's 250. So pretty much you got your money back anyway. And that money is going into your standing wallet, not into your active wallet that's getting interest, okay? That's going right into your standing wallet. You can transfer it, turn it into Bitcoin or dollars or whatever you want, okay? That's yours. Level 4, now we're at 405. So now you're already in profit mode on top of what you're doing every day, okay? Well, on top of what you're doing. So imagine if you threw that in there too and you double it almost, right? You're at like 15 almost, $15, okay? So now, guys, level 5, you know, 121,000 at 0.5%, that's $607. Level 6, you're talking about 364,000 because you got 729 people. All everybody's doing is referring at least 3. Okay, that's 1,822. And then on level 7, okay, folks, you're talking about 5,467. All right, and then on level 8, 13,122. Now you add this up, you're over 20-something thousand, about 21 grand. So let's just take 10. Now this is going to keep running, okay? Because it's not going to stop just because we go do something else. And you may have been already putting it back anyway, but it's going to keep going because you got 11 levels. So there's 3 more levels. So, you know, level 9 brings 29,000, level 10, 59,000, level 11, 88,000. So in total, you're right at 200,000. And remember, that's the max out point. Okay, that's the max out point. But look at this, guys. You take that 10,000 we talked about through level 8. Now you just put half and you keep half. Go do something, pay bills, whatever, right? Maybe buy some Bitcoin or another token or whatever, right? So, but now this 10,000 is working on top of your 500. So remember, 10,000 is going to bring you, you know, pretty much 4,500. Okay, $4,500 every month. So you're looking at about, you know, 150 a day, right? 150 a day. So that's huge. All right, but watch this. And that's growing while this is happening. So now 3 people follow you and they do the same thing. So that's going to be 30 grand. You get 7%, 2,100. Okay. So that's 2,100 already. And then guys, on the second level, those 3 come and follow them. So that's 90 grand. Now that's 2,700 to you because you get 3% of that. Level 3, 1.5%, 270,000 because that's 27 times 10,000. That's 4 grand. Okay. And then level 4, you definitely break even and some. Okay. So you could drop another 10 grand in there because it's really gravy. I mean, you're generating this through referral money, or you can use it to pay bills, whatever. Because remember, you're still going. Level 5, 12,000. Level 6, 36,000. Level 7, 109,000. And level 8, guys, 262,000. So you definitely can take 190,000, keep the rest, and max this thing out. Okay. Now remember, when you max it out, folks, you're picking up $90,000. 90 at just 1.5% a day, you're picking up 90 grand. Okay, 90 grand a month. That's $3,000 a day. So that's what we're getting at. And you did it pretty much from 500 bucks. But then, guys, it's going to keep going. Level 9. I mean, look at that, guys. 590,000. You could do it twice again. You could have now 90,000 coming in 3 times because you can max out 2 more accounts. Maybe one for your kids, your grandkids, okay? Or your parents or whatever, family, okay? But now you could be at 270,000 coming in every month, okay? And then level 10, oh man, you could do this thing several times, you know, maybe at least 3 more times and just keep the rest, right? And then level 11, 1.7 million more, okay? That you can use to buy other currencies, start trading, and now you're done. You're done. So folks, that's why we're excited. You look up 3.9 million, okay? You use 200,000 of it, maybe a few times to set up more accounts. And now you're all on the gravy side regardless. Okay. And that's where we want to be. We want to leverage this program. We're going to leverage the leverage. Okay. We're going to leverage the program, pull out way more than we would if we'd have just, did it month by month. And now we're ready. We're ready to go do some other things. And guys, I tell you, you could do some real estate stuff. You could do some other stuff from crypto, whatever. That's the name of the game. Okay. But even if you went with 5, let's say you had 2 more people at 500, look at what happens, guys, with 5 people, okay? Look, I mean, you're going to be there for sure by the time you get to level 8. You've already maxed out maybe a couple accounts at level 8. And then level 9, 10, guys, look at this. Level 11, folks, you're on a whole nother level. You could max out maybe 10 accounts and do a whole lot of other things with 38 million, okay? And this is global. This is not just the United States. This is all over the world. You could set up all sorts of internet marketing campaigns to show people what you did. Now you become the expert, okay? You create a real following. And that's what we're going to do, folks. So this thing is amazing, and we're looking forward to working with you. So with that, guys, back to the presentation and the setup.